What's going on, everybody? It's Michael Alder here from carpettools.com, and here we have a case where a ember from the fireplace popped out, fell on the carpet, singed the top of the fibers here, but it's too deep down to trim it out without having it be super obvious. So I'm going to show you how to patch this carpet and getting looking brand new. So the key thing is having a very sharp blade, so always use a brand new blade when doing this. And this is a ridiculously thick carpet, so unlike some of the other videos there, you want to spread the fibers a little bit, get a clean cut down in there, because if you singe the fibers, it'll actually show more. So you just want to, spread them with your fingertips a little bit. And just kind of square off the damaged area. You can tell this is some really thick rug, so you want to pull all the fibers out there so nothing gets mashed down in the middle. We have ourselves a scrap piece here. I'm going to change the blade because on a carpet this thick it is absolutely key that we're using a sharp blade on every cut. We're going to trace out the piece we just cut out and use it as our template. Alrighty, let's see if I did my job right. Want to make sure you're not mashing any of the fibers down in there, so everything's nice and even. Alright, so overall, our template worked just fine. I can tell that this piece is going to blend well in here. So next we're going to go ahead and get an adhesive. I always use a seam sealer, carpet seam sealer. You could use Elmer's glue or a latex sealer you can get at the big box stores. And less is actually more when you do this, so don't get too crazy with it. Because if it oozes up onto the fibers, it's going to look like crap and you're going to have to do it again. So I'm just going to put a little bead around the perimeter in here so it'll seal right to the existing carpet. And then I'm going to spread the fibers so they don't get mashed down in there. Just kind of finesse this piece into it. This side I'm going to lift up so they don't get smashed in. That one. This one. Boom. See, we had a little overlap there, so you just kind of work with the carpet, feel what's going on until everything's nice and even. And boom. Nice new patch. Nobody knows anything happened. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Reach out with any questions, and I will create a video based on that. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video.